Hello everyone, I'm excited to give you a look at this wonderful children's book called What in the World is Faith by Ebony Jackson. Are you looking for a fun, engaging way to teach your little ones about faith? This delightful children's book simplifies the powerful concept of faith, helping kids understand how to trust God in their daily lives through fun stories, vibrant illustrations, and easy-to-follow lessons. Take a look at this short preview.
What in the world is faith? One day, Callie and Joy were playing with a jigsaw puzzle in Callie's room. Callie was trying to fit the pieces of the puzzle, but she was having a hard time. Joy said, "Oh, Callie, have faith that you can do it." Callie kept trying and finished her part of the puzzle. Callie and Joy laughed.
The next day, Kylie went over with two of her friends to play at Joy's house. Joy's mother was talking to her girlfriend on the phone.
Callie woke up on Sunday to go to church with her mom and dad. Callie heard the pastor say, The next day, Joy asked Callie to come outside. Callie said, "I can't."
Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed. Please support the author by purchasing this book on Amazon. What in the World is Faith by Ebony Jackson. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more faith-filled stories for kids.